Tashan Oakley-Boothe is a 21-year-old professional footballer who plays as a midfielder for EFL Championship side Stoke City. He joined the Tottenham Hotspur Academy team in July 2017. In September of 2017, he made his first team debut for Tottenham in a 1-0 win against Barnsley in the EFL Cup. Oakley-Boothe joined Stoke City on the 31st of January 2020, signing a 3.5-year contract for an undisclosed fee after rejecting an offer from Tottenham. He made his first start for Stoke City in July of 2020 in a 4-1 win against Nottingham Forest. So far, he has played in 23 games for Stoke City. However, he suffered a season-ending back injury at the start of April 2021. Oakley-Boothe was born in England and is of Jamaican descent. He has also represented England at the under-17 level. He was part of England's 2017 under-17 World Cup winning team.